Hello friends, there was a rich man who had a goose that laid a golden egg every day. Every day when the rich man woke up, he would rush to the goose to collect the golden egg. Then he would think about what to do with this gold, and he always came to the same conclusion. He would use this gold to become richer and live a more luxurious life. However, one day, the rich man thought to himself, why wait until tomorrow to get rich? Why not get all the gold from the goose at once? So he killed the goose. But guess what he found inside the goose? There was no gold. The goose was just a normal goose. The rich man regretted his decision. If only he had kept the goose alive, it could have kept laying golden eggs for him every day. So friends, in today's video we will learn a lesson from this story. Also, we will be solving a few questions related to this story. Let's begin. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Every day the rich man would rush to the goose to collect the blank. First, let's try to understand what happens in the story. The rich man gets one golden egg every day from the goose. This means that the goose gives the rich man gold every day. Now we have to find the right option which can fill in the blank. Option A says money, option B says egg, option C says gold, and option D says nothing. Now, if we read the first line again, we understand that the rich man was rich, which means option A, money, cannot be the answer. Because if he had money, why would he need a goose that lays a golden egg? Also, in the next line, it is said that he would rush to the goose to collect the blank. A goose does not give money or anything else except eggs. So option D, nothing, cannot be the answer. Now the remaining options are B and C. We know that the goose gives the rich man gold every day. So option B, egg, cannot be the answer because an egg does not make sense here. So the correct option is C, gold. Question no. 2. Multiple choice question. Why did the rich man kill the goose? Because he wanted to A. Eat the goose, B. Become very rich in one day, C. Make golden ornaments, D. Make a golden cage for the goose. Now let's try to understand what happens in the story. One day, the rich man thinks to himself, why wait till tomorrow to become rich? Why not become very rich in one day? And then he kills the goose. From this, we understand that the rich man killed the goose because he wanted to become rich quickly. So the correct option is B, become very rich in one day. Question no. 3. True or false? The rich man became rich after killing the goose. True or false? First, let's try to understand what happens in the story. After killing the goose, the rich man finds out that there is no gold inside the goose. So the rich man did not become rich. Now we have to tell whether the statement is true or false. The statement is, the rich man became rich after killing the goose. Since the rich man did not become rich, the statement is false. Question no. 4. Find the incorrect sentence. A. The rich man was very happy. B. The rich man had a golden goose. C. The rich man became very rich. D. The goose laid a golden egg every day. Now, let's try to understand what happens in the story. In the story, it is said that the rich man had a golden goose that laid a golden egg every day. The rich man was not very happy because he wanted all the gold at once. So the second option, the rich man had a golden goose, is the incorrect sentence. Friends, these were the questions. Now let's move on to the moral of the story. Once upon a time, there was a farmer who had a hen. It laid a golden egg every day. The farmer assumed that the hen must have a lump of gold inside its body. So he killed the hen, but he did not find any gold inside the hen. The farmer regretted his decision. He should not have killed the hen. The farmer learned a very important lesson from this. It is better to have something that can keep giving you money than to have money now and lose the source of income. So friends, the moral of the story is, don't kill the goose that lays the golden egg. It means don't be greedy and destroy the thing that is giving you benefits. Now let's take some time out and think about the story. What do you think? Did the rich man make the right decision by killing the goose? Why did the rich man want to become rich quickly? And what lesson do you want to learn from this story? Share your answers in the comment section. Now, let's discuss the answers. First, let's talk about the question. Did the rich man make the right decision by killing the goose? The rich man did not make the right decision by killing the goose. You may ask me why. Because the goose was giving the rich man one golden egg every day. This meant that the goose would keep giving the rich man gold, and he would become richer and richer each day. But the rich man wanted to become very rich in one day, so he killed the goose. If he had not been greedy and kept the goose alive, he would have benefited for the rest of his life. Now, let's talk about the second question. Why did the rich man want to become rich quickly? The rich man wanted to become rich quickly because he did not want to wait. He wanted all the gold that the goose could give him in one day. He was greedy, so he killed the goose, but he did not know that by doing this, he would lose the source of income. And finally, let's talk about the third question. What lesson do you want to learn from this story? I want you to learn the moral of the story. Don't kill the goose that lays the golden egg. Do not be greedy and destroy the thing that is giving you profit. Friends, we have completed today's lesson. If you like the story, press the like button. Also, share your views and opinions in the comments section. If you have done your work, then press the done button. And if you want to watch more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.